Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Ann and this is our dog Loki. Thanks for joining us today for this protein-packed salad. These are great for making ahead for your week of work lunches. They're easily packed and they're packed full of protein. So let's head to the kitchen and see what I put together. Okay, so I have all my ingredients ready to go. The first thing you'll need to do though is to cook your farro according to package directions and let it cool. I cooked my farro about an hour ago. We're gonna need 2 cups of farro, and then we're gonna need a lot of vegetables, of course, because it's a salad and that's what makes this so nutritious. So let's get started. There you have it, a protein-packed salad. And these are perfect for packing for lunches. So, I like putting my salads in the fridge for about an hour after I put my dressing on. It just disperses the flavor so much nicer when it gets time to marinate. So good. Okay, many of you may know that I started this YouTube channel when I went vegan because I wanted to show everyone that giving up meat does not mean giving up flavor, because there's so many yummy, delicious meals that you can be eating as a vegan. And in fact, my vegan meals are more flavorful than my meals before I went vegan. I also started the YouTube channel right in the middle of COVID, a pandemic, which leaves a lot of people sad, out of work, or sick. And I wanted to bring a little bit of joy into people's homes by including Loki in the filming, because of the fact that when I look at Loki, I smile and I can't help but laugh because he's so comical. He's literally like a living Marmaduke to me. So I wanted to share some of that fun with everybody else because he is such a comical creature. Again, I did not pick him out. He came with the man that I married. So I have been intrigued with his behavior and such, and I would never pick a dog this large to own. But he is quite comical, and he does remind me of the Marmaduke cartoon that I grew up reading. So I just wanted to share a late Christmas present with you that I got from my mother, because it brought me a lot of laughter when I opened it up. And if you guys can think back to 1983 with The Police, Every Breath You Take, it was a very popular song back then. And this is the t-shirt that she got me, and I am so grateful for it. One of my favorite Christmas presents, and it arrived a week after Christmas because of the delayed postal service. So it was really a great timing, actually, because of the fact that the holidays were all over and I was in the throes of having to clean a rental house at the time. So it brought me a lot of joy to open up this package and see this t-shirt. So I hope everybody else can get a good laugh out of this too, because this is so true. Having a dog like him, he is constantly on my heels, and everywhere I am, he is right there with me. So I just wanted you to see this fun t-shirt. Yeah, yes, it's all about you, isn't it? Yeah, that's you. That's supposed to be you. So I hope everybody is having a happy, healthy new year, and I hope this brought a little smile to your face. And you continue to find the silver lining in every day right now. Stay healthy. I know. Are you ready for your walk? You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy.